Hi everyone, welcome to OFW Wealth TV. Our channel is all about financial literacy and general finance, and we hope you enjoy our videos. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we drop our next video. Today, we will delve into an exciting topic that's on everyone's minds: cryptocurrency investment for beginners in 2023. Cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm, revolutionizing the way we think about money and investments. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the world of crypto offers incredible opportunities. So buckle up and get ready to explore 15 fantastic ideas on how to invest in cryptocurrency and secure your financial future. 1. Bitcoin, the trailblazer. Let's kick things off with the trailblazer of all cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. Considered the gold standard of digital currencies, Bitcoin has proven its resilience over the years. Investing in Bitcoin can be a great way to start your crypto journey, given its widespread adoption and robust market presence. 2. Ethereum, the game changer. Another heavyweight in the crypto space is Ethereum. What sets Ethereum apart is its smart contract functionality, which has opened up a whole new world of decentralized applications and tokens. Investing in Ethereum not only allows you to benefit from its potential price appreciation, but also from the growing Ethereum ecosystem. 3. Cardano, ADA. The Cardano network has a smaller footprint, which is appealing to investors for several reasons. It takes less energy to complete a transaction on Cardano than on a larger network like Bitcoin. This means transactions are faster and cheaper. Cardano recently launched a test version of a platform called Addaswap, where developers can build decentralized finance apps. Addaswap could elevate Cardano's status as a Web3 network and drive up the price of its coin. While the coin is number 7 in terms of market value, Cardano's non-fungible token protocol is the world's third largest, according to Forbes. 4. Polygon, Matic. Polygon offers fast and low-cost transactions, making it an attractive option for decentralized applications and users. It provides developers with an environment to build and deploy their projects while benefiting from Ethereum security. 5. Terra 2.0, Luna. Terra is a blockchain platform that aims to create a stable and scalable digital currency ecosystem. Investing in Terra's Luna token can offer unique benefits and opportunities in the evolving world of cryptocurrencies. Terra's primary focus is on stable coins, which are cryptocurrencies designed to maintain a stable value by pegging them to a reserve asset, such as a national currency SIX. Avalanche, AVAX. Investing in Avalanche, AVAX, presents compelling reasons why it could be a promising opportunity for investors. One of the key strengths of Avalanche is its high scalability and transaction speed. The platform can handle thousands of transactions per second, making it suitable for various use cases and enabling seamless user experiences. This scalability advantage positions Avalanche as a potential solution to the scalability limitations faced by other blockchain networks. 7. CHAINLINK, Link. CHAINLINK is a decentralized Oracle network that connects smart contracts with real-world data, enabling them to interact with external systems and provide reliable information. Investing in CHAINLINK can offer unique opportunities in the expanding world of blockchain technology. By investing in CHAINLINK, you can potentially capitalize on the increasing adoption of decentralized oracles and the demand for reliable data in the crypto industry. 8. BNB. Binance Coin is the native cryptocurrency of the Binance Exchange, one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Investing in BNB presents unique opportunities, both as a utility token and as an investment asset. BNB serves as the primary utility token on the Binance platform, providing various benefits to users. These benefits include reduced trading fees, participation in token sales, and access to exclusive services within the Binance ecosystem. As Binance continues to expand its offerings, the demand for BNB is likely to increase, potentially driving its value higher. 9. NFTs, the digital collectibles. Now let's dive into the world of non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFTs have taken the art and collectibles world by storm, offering unique digital assets that can be bought, sold, and traded on blockchain platforms. Investing in NFTs requires careful research and understanding of the market, but it can be an exciting way to combine art, technology, and potential financial gains. 10. DeFi, the financial revolution. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, has emerged as a game-changer in the financial industry. DeFi platforms enable traditional financial services such as lending, borrowing, and earning interest, all without intermediaries. Investing in DeFi projects like Aave, Compound, and Uniswap can provide you with exposure to this groundbreaking space. 11. Crypto mining, the digital gold rush. If you're up for a more hands-on approach, crypto mining might be the right path for you. Mining involves using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems and validate transactions on the blockchain. It can be a profitable venture if you have the technical know-how and access to affordable electricity. 12. Crypto index funds, simplified investing. For beginners looking for a simplified approach to crypto investing, crypto index funds can be a great option. These funds pool together a diverse range of cryptocurrencies, allowing you to invest in the overall performance of the market rather than individual assets. Examples include Bitwise 10 Crypto Index Fund and Crypto 20. 13. Dollar cost averaging, a steady strategy. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the asset's price. This approach reduces the impact of short-term price fluctuations and helps you build your crypto portfolio steadily over time. Consider setting up recurring purchases on reputable exchanges to implement this strategy. 14. Staking, earning passive income. Staking is another popular way to earn passive income with cryptocurrencies. By staking your coins, you contribute to the network's security and, in return, receive additional tokens as a reward. Projects like Cosmos, Tezos, and Cardano offer staking opportunities, allowing you to earn while you hold 14. Risk management. Start small. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies carries its own risks. As a beginner, it's important to start small and only invest what you can afford to lose. Set a budget for your crypto investments. Diversify your portfolio and never invest solely based on hype or emotions. Stay patient and always conduct thorough research. If you feel overwhelmed or uncertain about navigating the crypto landscape, seeking professional advice can be beneficial. Financial advisors specializing in cryptocurrencies can help you develop a personalized investment strategy based on your goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. Finally, keep in mind that the crypto world is constantly evolving. Stay updated with market trends, regulatory changes, and technological advancements. Be adaptable and open to new opportunities that arise. With the right mindset and continuous learning, you'll be well equipped to thrive in the ever-changing crypto sphere. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found these 15 ideas on how to invest in cryptocurrency for beginners in 2023 both interesting and helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please leave a comment, like a video, hit the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos on financial literacy and general finance. We appreciate your support. Take care and see you next time.